Does Samsung Galaxy A37 5G come with a charger? Let me quickly check it out for you. So I already opened the box of Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So these are the things present inside the box. So we have the phone, that is Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you can see, okay, and we have the charging cable, you can see, okay, and we have the SIM ejector pin, okay, and we have the quick start guide, okay, you can see. And that's it. We don't have charger inside the box, so it doesn't come with a charger. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.